Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back, and this is a very special unboxing because this unboxing comes to you by Lazy Retired Granny. Yes, at Christmas, obviously the Christmas season is coming, and Lazy Retired Granny sent me a £30 Amazon gift card. Yes, you heard that right, £30. It totally blew me away, like I did not expect it. Obviously she said she wanted to send me a gift card, but I was like so blown away at the amount. I'd never anticipated it to be so much, but yeah, I'm over the moon with it. So this is one of the paintings that I chose to get with my voucher. I've got some others that will be formed under separate uncover because I was so excited to look in them and I was away at the time, so I didn't have the time to film it. So I was like, do you know what, we'll do it a different way. We'll just like show you what it is and then unbox it. So yeah, it's not going to be all at one, I'm afraid. It's going to be separate videos, but this is one of the paintings I chose. Now, I am getting quite fond of these red oh yeah, oh wow. Wow, okay, that's interesting. I think that's the first white boat we've had for some time. 10 times out of 10 you get these green ones, but wow, a white tray. I mean, that is impressive. Well done, Amazon. And I'm getting quite impressed with these. Now, I went for this and it looks really good. The only thing I don't like about this is I didn't realise until I got it. Obviously, I knew it had a blue sky, but the only thing I don't like about it is if it is supposed to be a sky, then surely it should be like, I mean, obviously you can see up here it's properly in the evening. Whether it's the Northern Lights, I don't know, but I don't know why you would do a dark blue sky when it should be black or, you know, light blue, but I'm still going to do it. Looking at it, it doesn't look as nice as online, I'll be honest with you. It looks a little bit on the pixelated size, but you know what, I'm going to still do it. So I'm not going to lie and say that I'm not disappointed. I am disappointed with the pixelation of this. It looks like a lot of the time my friends will say that they've zoomed in it to, you know, squodge it in. But I mean, what have we got here? So we've got a moon, we've got the tree going up. We've got like, I reckon that's probably a church or a, you know, a steeple of some sort. Some churches are formed in not as if like a church setting, but they're sometimes in a normal shaped building, but they're made into a church. And then obviously we've got some trees going along here, and then obviously a tree here with what looks to be Christmas lights. We've got some snow on the background here. You've got your little reef there. The two headlights of the truck looks pretty cool. Looks like it's got dark blue tires, which is pretty nice. And then obviously what's lovely about this red truck is you've got the detail of the sides of the truck on here with the brown, and then the tree in the back. So yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed, if I'm honest with you. The problem I have is I believe Amazon gift cards cannot be refunded. So the chances are if I send this back, I'm not going to get my refund because gift cards are non-refundable. As far as I'm aware, that might have changed, but as far as I'm aware, they're non-refundable. So 24 colours, so we're still going to have a push, you know, have a blast at it. I don't know if it'll be this side of Christmas because we have literally got a week. I'm helping my brother move in between. I've been in the bloody loft, and yeah, it's just the wrong time of the year to be helping someone move. But it's completely buggered up my filming for the rest of the week, but never mind, it is what it is. 24 colours, so let's take a look at the colours. And I like that as well. You've got like this bits of snow, you know, falling on the truck there. And I don't think we've ever had a moon before, so that's quite good. So let's take a look at our standard tray here, standard sort of pack there. But as I said, it's very rare for these white ones to pop up in the Amazon painting. So yeah, that's quite interesting. And then here we have the drill. So let's take a look at this drill here. And we have a C865. We've got a light blue and a grey and a mint blue and a lighter blue and a green, a couple of dark greens there and a dark blue, a very vibrant looking red there. It's really, really nice. And then we've got this one here. I think that's the thing as well. Like online, they make it look they make it look so good, and then when you get it, it don't normally, like, it won't look half the same as what's online. But it is what it is. We can only see what it looks like until once we get it. Red, we've got a blue, a brown, a yellow, orange, lime green, another sort of greeny colour there, a browny butterscotchy colour, a light blue, a dark blue, a blue, very sort of dark blue, a black, and a very vibrant red there. Now, Craft Addict Roxanne is having a terrible time. She's trying to match, I think it's a couple of her paintings, but she keeps getting the wrong red. So I don't know if it's, I don't mean to laugh, but it's just funny that every time she gets it to, match it, it's the wrong red, isn't it, Roxanne? So, yeah, you don't seem to be having a lot of luck with that red you've got at the moment. But yes, so yeah, I am disappointed. You can probably tell in my voice, but you know what? We can't complain. It's nice and it's not nice. I don't like the fact that it's just like squodged, and I don't like the fact that it's got a dark blue sky. But, it could surprise us once it's done. So, yeah, we just have to do what it is. Unfortunately, it's done by a company here called Rahu, or Rayaha. So, yeah, that's that. So, I hope you like that little unboxing. We have got another 3 unboxings coming your way from Lazy Retired Granny. And, as always, please remember to like, share, subscribe, all the YouTubey things. And, if you want to get this for yourself, then the link's in the description. We've got loads of exciting things coming up in 2024, and we'll see you again soon for another unboxing. And a massive thank you to Lazy Retired Granny. Bye.